What are you doing?
The Ranger's back. It's coming back. It's not back yet. It's been sitting here for a little while.
There's some weeds.
We pulled the engine out of it because we had a grand plan. But now we're going back to the Danger Ranger. So we gotta yank it out of here and then stuff the motor back in it. So that's what we're doing today. Because when we pulled the engine out, we took very good care to not mess anything up. Okay, no we didn't. We got some work to do. First thing, we gotta drag it out of these here weeds. She's a little dirty, a little neglected. Still got that stupid ass steering wheel in it. But look at this. Woohoo! We created a home. Give it some wiggles. Ah, yeah. Alright, engine's in, all hooked up. That wasn't too bad. This year was pretty easy compared to last year. Just had to put it back in, hook it all up. Went pretty smooth. Same exact setup as last year. Nothing's changed except different steering wheel. Because that was our fail last year. So let's fire it up. Take it for a test drive, make sure everything still works. Okay. Wish me luck. That is one touchy clutch. Went well. It's a ripper. Like a real race truck. Alright, Ranger's done. Looks good, runs good. Just got to get the numbers off the doors because they're not letting us run 88 this year, unfortunately. Next video, we'll be in Florida, hitting some test laps at the Freedom Factory. We'll see you there.